In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Remix in Leonardo AI, step by step, so you can take an existing image and quickly turn it into something new with your own creative touch. This is a super useful feature if you want to change the style, adjust the details, or build on an image you already like without starting from scratch. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick AI tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Leonardo AI and go to your library, or you can simply scroll through the community feed. This is where you'll find images that have already been created, either by you or by other users. Take your time and look for an image that inspires you or matches the direction you want to take. Once you find the image you want to work with, click on it to open the preview. Inside the image options, look for the Remix button and hit it. When you click Remix, Leonardo AI will open your image generation window automatically. This is where the magic happens, because now you're not just viewing the image, you're actively using it as a starting point for a new generation. From here, you can enter your own prompt to change the scene, add new objects, shift the mood, or completely reimagine the result. You can also replace the model if you want a different visual style or a better match for the type of image you're creating. And if needed, you can make other adjustments too, like refining the prompt details or changing settings that affect the final output. The great part about Remix is that it gives you a fast way to experiment while keeping the structure of the original image as a foundation. So instead of building everything from zero, you can iterate much faster and get closer to the look you want. Once your prompt and settings are ready, generate the new image and review the result. If it's not quite right, just tweak the prompt, switch the model, or adjust your approach and generate again. That's really the power of Remix in Leonardo AI. It makes editing and creative exploration much easier and much faster. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.